Hi, I'm Amy. I'd like to show you how Rylock makes our home incredibly comfortable. When it comes to windows and doors, there are quite a few things to consider. Come in, let's take a look around. When we were designing our new home, we had to consider the various building materials and how they provide year-round comfort and improve the energy efficiency of our home across the seasons. When it comes to windows and doors, the two most important performance parameters are the U value and SHGC. So what is a U value and why is it important? The U value is a measure of the heat energy conducted. The lower the number, the more energy efficient the window or door. During winter, a window with a higher U value will lose more heat to the outside, whereas a product with a lower U value will see less heat lost. The same applies for the summer months when we want to keep our home cool. Windows with a high U value will conduct more heat energy from outside to indoors, whereas windows with a lower U value will conduct less heat from the outside, keeping the room cooler and more comfortable. So when it comes to windows and doors, a lower U value means you'll be able to maintain the temperature in a room for longer without turning on artificial heating or cooling. Now let's explore solar heat gain, or SHGC. Let's take a look at our bedroom and imagine there's no window. The amount of solar heat coming into our bedroom would be 100%, as there is nothing to stop it and things would be pretty uncomfortable. Then if we put our Rylock window back in place, we can reduce the SHGC by up to a staggering 79%. So only a controlled amount of solar heat will make it inside our bedroom, keeping it comfortable, while still filled with an abundance of natural light. As we know, the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. In Australia during the day, it traverses along an arc through the northern orientation before setting in the west. This means east and west facing windows are exposed to direct, essentially horizontal solar heat gain early in the morning and later in the day. Whilst north facing windows receive solar heat gain during the day, the amount depends on the season, where it is lower in the winter and higher in summer. On the other hand, south-facing windows receive little solar heat gain. This means your selection of glass with a high or low SHGC is intrinsically related to the orientation of a room and can be as much a question of personal preference as it is energy efficiency. The Rylock team can assist you with your choice. Two other important factors when selecting windows and doors is visible light transmission, VLT, and air infiltration. Visible light transmission measures the amount of natural light entering through the glass and into your room. Not all glass is created equal, and you'll want a high VLT to maintain an abundance of natural light. Lastly, let's take a look at air infiltration, which measures the leakage of air around the openings of windows and doors. The use of high-quality seals reduce annoying drafts and other trickle leakage. Windows with a low air infiltration improve the thermal performance of your home, resulting in greater comfort and reduced energy costs. And everyone loves saving on their energy bills. So let's recap on these important aspects of windows and doors. To maintain a consistent and comfortable room temperature, we want a low U and air infiltration value, whilst a high VLT enables an abundance of natural light. The SHGC should be determined by a room's orientation and your personal preference. Quality windows and doors better assist in separating the indoor and outdoor environment. Rylock's knowledgeable sales consultants can assist you in your product selection.